Now you're probably wondering why I took a picture of a bunch of trash laying next to an ice machine, but what the heck? I didn't have anything better to do. I'm walking through the town and all of a sudden I see a pile of trash. Well, that's not the case. I actually took a picture of this electrical outlet that could be a problem. I see stuff like this, and realistically, you think about it, this isn't that big of a deal. Someone would need to go up there with a screwdriver or a pin or something like that and stick it in there and get electrocuted. And this pile of trash right here is probably going to keep people away from it anyway. Maybe that's why the pile of trash is there. But it still goes back to, like I've said in other videos, all it takes is one time for someone to do something, and your business could belong to the person that um, suffered the consequences of your negligence by a lawsuit. So again, something like this, you're talking about what, a $10 electrical cover, and you're in the clear. That's all it takes to not be liable in a situation like this. And again, I would imagine most of the time. And again, if we take a look at where the ice machine is plugged in, we still have an open socket underneath it, or an open outlet. So again, we got a couple of problems here. The pile of trash. Yeah, who wants to see this? And this is on the side of a building, but there is still plenty of traffic. And this is right next to a grocery store, by the way. And again, if you had another machine, which is what I'm sure this is, there was probably a soda machine or something plugged in here, then you don't have to worry about something like that. But if you don't have something there, then realistically you have an accident just waiting to happen. So again, if you have a property or a building, anything where you have a situation where you have an uncovered electrical outlet, or a situation like this where the cover is, all you need to do is replace the cover, it wouldn't be a bad idea to fix something like that as soon as possible, just in case an accident happens. And again, I hate to say, hammer this point home, you've got to protect yourself. In a situation like this, you'd feel like a jerk if you could eliminate someone dying or getting injured with only a few dollars. So it isn't difficult to do the math on.